Hello everyone. In this video we would like to share the work that we finished in the Toyota Prado 150 series and ZR model, which actually is the similar as the Kakadu in terms of the entertainment and head unit system and sound system and camera as well. It has 4 cameras surrounding the car, and it has amplifier setup with the premium sound setup and navigation screen before. At this moment we already finished the job with the new 9-inch quad LED touchscreen premium setup version with wireless CarPlay and wireless Android Auto, and for it even including 4G SIM card standard, and it has built-in very strong amplifier digital sound processor setup inside to make sure the sound is very satisfying for the upgrade. So combination of the new 9-inch quad LED screen with the full air conditioner control on the panel, okay, it actually will bring in the sound system, bring in the air conditioner control, and all sort of convenience over here. Like this, you can control the full screen, and you can certainly turn on and turn off the system from here, which actually is so easy to use. And now talking about the wireless Android Auto, you can see it's so smooth, so easy to use, and very fast. That is our Android phone, which actually connect wireless now, and yeah, you can see yeah, beautiful. And currently the sound is coming from the FM at the bottom, the factory FM radio, and the steering wheel control have to increase and low and decrease the volume, and it will have to change the sound check as well from the steering, and of course it will have to change and see the camera from the steering as well. And now have a look at here how the reverse camera is working. So you see that it is showing up the factory reverse camera with the steering wheel control guide dynamic guide on the screen when you turn the wing. And you can use this button, the dedicated button here, for the surrounding camera to show up the camera, and that is the front and the side camera when you reverse. Okay, press again, come back to reverse, and then you put the gear into the front, or for the drive it come back to the wireless Android Auto again. So that's so easy, and you can see how smooth it is, okay, because it's quad LED screen. It's just equivalent with any modern Android phone or iPhone touch screen. It's so smooth, okay, and all the button, just at your finger, everything like factory. So we would like to say thank you again for watching this, and we already made some other video for Apple CarPlay, for full air conditioner control on the screen, and for the sound section, or for steering wheel control section. So just have a look in our YouTube channel, you will find some of them for this model Toyota Prado ZR 150 series 2011, similar as a Kakadu in terms of this. Okay, so everything perfectly fit, beautifully present like factory over here. Thanks again, and we'll see you then.